I'm so excited. Today, I have a 2-for-1 video for you. I can't wait to show you the hammock. Welcome into the 3-bed, 3-bath. Room for the whole family to watch TV. And this kitchen has ample space. So much space for the kids or a roommate up here with 2 beds. And a beautiful garden right out back. And all of this green space for the corner unit. I love the openness of this 2-bed, 2-bath. With granite countertops and updated appliances. Single story, 2 bedrooms. For this butterfly sanctuary, if you want information on either of these wonderful townhomes in the adored Hammocks subdivision with pool, just look in the description below. I've got the links there for you, and just give us a call. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any beauties like these.